What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Z and Zab's project, and today we're going to be working on this Toyota Supra Mk4. Unfortunately, it needs a rear brake pipe on the passenger rear side. As with the caliper sits, the connection from the caliper to the main brake pipeline is deteriorated.
Alright, so we're underneath the car now. So we got this heat shield which is about 10mm bolts, one there. So this is looking at the back of the car. So this is the rear back. Sorry, that's the rear back. There's one there, one here, and just one further down. These are 10mm bolts, so we do. I've loosened them already, just take them off. So this shield will come flying down, so just be careful as you take these bolts off. And it is quite dusty here as well. Once you're taking the shield off, you can see that the brake line curves in and then just goes around this way. There's another bolt here. I can just focus in there. So just here, and that follows around into this plastic cover here, which again is another 10mm. So just loosen it, and that should just slide off. Right, and then you can follow this brake line, which is coming from here, there, and goes into there, where it just flows from right, left, on the driver's side coming in here, passenger coming in here, and then this one goes to the front. Another 10mm there, just loosen that one there, and I should take this pipe off. So let me just loosen up and I'll show you.
And there you go guys, there's your brake pipe, and as you can see, this bit here was stuck, so we had to snap this off so we can get a 10mm socket in this bad boy over here, and then break it open. And that was from this side actually, and this side was a bit that sat in the rear over, yeah, over there. So as you can see, this actually, so this side was connected to that, and obviously as it was quite messed up, it wouldn't break off, as in it wouldn't come off, trying to unwind it, so it snapped off. So that's the reason why we had to take that off, and now we are going to make a new brake pipe with the new brake pipe kit, which we'll show you now. Alright, so as you can see, this is the new brake pipe kit. So we're going to make a new brake pipe with this kit over here, so let's get cracking. Alright guys, as you can see, we have made the brake pipe line. So the only next thing to do would be to put it back under the car and see if it actually works, if it actually fits, and hopefully there's no leakage on this, because this is our first time doing it. So, but it's a nice piece of kit. I'll quickly show you. So you got the brake pipe line there, this is the cutter, this is the bender, then you got to hold the brake pipe lines, flatten it with these tools over here as I demonstrated earlier, and with that you make this lovely shape here to block the nut going out, so it holds it nice. So yeah, let's see if it fits into the Supra. Okay, so this is underneath the car. That's the new brake line pipe. It's coming from there, going around, going into that bracket, sorry, go all the way around in through this bracket over here. Yep, inside there, curves all the way around underneath the other pipings, comes back around and loops into the three-way connection, and it is nice and snug. Quite a hand tighten nice and easily, and then obviously you've got a 10mm spanner just to tighten it up a bit more. So yeah, it's looking good so far. The only thing we need to do is connect this piping to this brake line over here, which is over there, and then actually before we can fill the brake fluid in, I believe the driver side rear is seized, the brake caliper, so we'll have to have a look at that, and then we can top up the fluid and see if it leaks. So yeah, let me connect this up and then I'll show you again. All right, so we've topped the fluid up and just to see if there's any leaks. No, no leaks at all. Is it dry? Yeah, that's dry. What about this one over here? Yep, that's dry to the touch as well. So happy days. There's no leaks at all. We depressed the brake pedal and there's no leaks whatsoever. So what we're going to do now, we're going to bleed the brakes and then we're going to see if there's any leaks from the connection. So you might say, what is the best way to bleed your brakes? So the old school way would be depress the brake pipe a few times, crack it open, let it bleed out, and then obviously close it again. But I've got a better way. You get a bottle like this with a bit of fluid, put a plastic pipe inside, crack that nipple open, connect the pipe into the nipple, and then just get someone to press on the brakes. Just depress it, keep pressing it until you see fluid come out. Brake fluid is topped up. There's no leaks. Let's see how the pedal feels. Hopefully, it's got nice pressure onto it, and it feels like it's got a nice solid pressure on it. So there you go, guys. That's how you do your brake lines if your brake lines have been perished like our Supra was. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we shall see you in the next one.